Yes, good afternoon, everyone. Yes, yes, we're back to the charts. Though I came in late today, we already in New York AM session. Today is the 17th of March, 2026. So we're gonna look at, just to make a follow-up on our pairs. We're gonna make a brief follow-up on the DXY, uh, and other currency pairs, but particularly I'll be talking about GBP Euro USD. I'll look at gold and silver, then oil again. Yeah. Yesterday I took some setup on oil, yes, but yeah, it played, but not that really well because it seems as if oil is still consolidating as we speak. But let's dive into DXY so that we can see. Uh, Previously, we looked at the dollar index and we saw that the dollar index actually is on the upward move. It's on the bullish trend higher time frame. You could see basically what we've been expecting apparently as of Monday, Tuesday, we've been expecting a pullback. And this pullback, the reason why we're pulling back actually is to seek internal range liquidity, of which that we engineered the time we were buying. As you could see, this is our trading range. As you could see, the range low and range high, this is a Fibonacci tool. So we literally are retracing back towards areas of what discount to see that we might seek to start now buying off price, yeah, at any institutional reference area. So I had my lower time frame setups on H1, and H1 simply shows you my key areas where I'm hoping to take my buys. Yes, they are actually in the discounted areas, as you see. Yeah, all this what we have, this is internal structures. This is for our internal structures. So you could see I have two areas that I'm hoping to buy off the dollar, of which I'm not so sure which one, because I have this one within the OTE zone and I have the extreme one, which is in the deep discount of demand. Nevertheless, tomorrow we are having FOMIC, so anything can happen. Maybe FOMIC might play out positive or negative, but we have just to keep waiting for our institutional reference areas. Those are the PDRs that we have to wait for to see that price actually mitigates or reacts off of our PDRs in discount. So this is the XY. We're still on the pullback phase. Yes, we're hoping to see price continuing to move forward, either maybe tomorrow or after FOMIC, or before that. It will depend. So this is what I have on DXY. And on contrary, we have GU, that's GBP USD. As you see, is contrary to the DXY. GU, you could see I marked my areas of supply, of which I'm still eyeing this current area of supply. I'm not yet convinced to take trades on this current area of supply unless I get confirmations on lower time frame. A confirmation on lower time frame, which is 15, I'll be waiting for. If price maybe gives me a shift on 15, it will be a lower time frame shift of market structure, then I'll go ahead and sell it. But for now, we don't have any confirmation unless price now gives us a shift, a momentum shift. Then I'll look for supply within this range of 15, of which I'll take sales. But for now, nothing. So if nothing happens on the current area of supply that we have on H4, I'll be looking for this supply to be validated. Literally, this supply might act as an area of liquidity, V hoping to sweep the liquidity above this area of supply. If I sweep or if I run it, then I'll be eyeing for this buy side liquidity, and that's the area of supply that I will be looking to take shots from. If this one fails, I'll be looking at this one. Understand? It's still valid. You can see we have an imbalance below it, and it took liquidity, and also it broke structure, so it's still a valid area of supply. So we should just wait for confirmations. Yes. So Euro USD, we're still on a pullback still. Currently, like I said in the previous videos, I don't think price is gonna react off from this intermediate area of supply. For some reason, this area of supply is within actually 50%, and to me 50%, I don't take trades within 50% of a fib. 50% is usually an area of liquidity or inducement, so I don't trust that order block, that area of supply. What I will say, that price is likely to continue. It might run through this area of supply, take out this liquidity above this area of supply. Here we have an area of fair value, of which is an area of resistance. Some people call it an area of the order block. Is it order flow area? Yeah, to me, is order flow is the same thing. So an order flow is literally this order flow that I have. We don't have any fair value area, any imbalance. It can act as a resistance area. So price can still mitigate and realign to shorts here. Understand? It can be possible. But if it fails, this will be low resistance liquidity. As you can see, we don't have any area or any imbalance. Low resistance, we don't have any resistance, which means if it fails to react off of this fair value area, price might run through all these low resistance areas, takes out the buy side, then taps this decision order block. Then we see that we sell. So let me look at gold. Gold, I'm looking for sells. Shorts, I have my POI on H4. I'm just going straight to H4 because wait, I did my analysis, took it on monthly, weekly, daily. So currently this is my lowest time frame. So on as we looking at gold is still pulling back, and this is the order flow leg we currently high. You know, this is the fair value gap, and this is the order block. So basically, price already took the external range liquidity. Now we're aiming for the internal range liquidity. So basically, we are likely to mitigate price to tap this area of what? Imbalance, fair value gap, so that we see price continue to come to this area of discount. This is the TP area that we see. The demand area is still valid. So I'll be waiting for shorts. Yes. Silver is the same thing, and gold, they have the same setup. Silver, we see it already mitigated, ran through the fair value gap, already mitigated the chalk, already mitigated the order block. On 15 minutes, we're only waiting for the confirmation. And already we got a shift on silver. This is a lower time frame shift. So we're waiting for this liquidity. It can be inducement to be taken out, so that we see at least price taps this lower time frame area of supply to see that now we start to shorten it. So this is what I had. I wish you a peaceful week. Yes, thank you everyone.